Hi, welcome to Domain Talk. To start with, let's click on Domain Details. To enter the new record, click New Entry. Name of the client, its email, telephone number, city, address, state, the PIN number. Enter the domain details like the domain name here, the registration date, and the duration, in this case 1 year, and it will automatically calculate the expiry date of the domain. Enter the server details here. You can also check the availability of the domain. This will open a browser. The URL can be customized to your choice. Like you can use checkdomain.com, and you can check the availability here. This is a fully functional browser. Now, as all the details have been entered, select the Save Entry button. It says record saved successfully. Now you can search the data by clicking here, and you can see the record that we have entered. And if you need to modify it, just double click it and the record will be shown here, and you can say edit. You can choose edit and edit. Save the entry again. The record has been updated. You can also delete the record. Search data, double click, and you can delete the record. As you can see, the record does not exist. You can close this window. The next is domain status report. Check the domain expiry status. You can enter the number of days here.
I am going to speech domain status of clients whose domain,
and it will automatically show the number of domains, the list of the domains that are expiring in that period. It will also be audible message. The next is expired domains. On clicking
the following domains have been expired. Contact the domain holder. The domain name iswa.sa.com. The client name ISAG.
You can also change the skins of this application as per your liking. Now this help button gives you some shortcuts as well as some help tips, and this close button will close the application. Thank you for downloading this software.